cool new setup to try with the 5-inch firebox. Right there. Right there. That's creating a little tray right there. Kind of a funny shape. They go in to these slots here. They can actually go anywhere. They're kind of like the Hangover Sticks for the freestyle. So you could put them inwards. You could put them aiming outwards. They only work in these deeper slots. If they also work underneath the wind damper, there are some slots there. You slide that little piece through. Then you can put your wind damper down. It's okay if they swing outwards like that. That's okay. That's actually even better because that'll provide more support for your grill or for whatever you put over there. You can put your grill right on top of there like that. What I'm most excited about is being able to use it as an oven. This is my baking air bake pan, the pan that has an air space in between it to protect it from the heat a little bit. Put your fire pan tin as your oven lid, or in this case, or at least the first part of this evening, I plan on using this as a grill. Move down here to the ground, and I'm going to get my steak going. I figured I may as well wrap this windscreen around my grill here just to keep that heat in. Like I say, I think it would work fine without it. Just a matter of how fast you want your steak to cook. Put a couple of more pieces of wood in on top of those hot coals just to get a flame going.
A few moments later.
My beans are done, and I think my steak is done. Perfect. So good. Let's take a look at our biscuits. Ooh, they're looking really good. Wow, I wonder if they're done. It's hard to imagine. They're so big. It seems like they take longer than that. Ooh, beautiful. Let's just see. Oh yeah, I think those biscuits are done.